Today we're going to make a Patriotic Fluff Salad. This is so easy to make. It's very versatile. You can do it lots of different ways. I love a fluff salad during the summer. It's just so easy to do, very customizable. We're going to be using Jell-O zero sugar cheesecake flavor, some zero sugar whipped topping, some strawberries, some blueberries, and some mini marshmallows. Now, like I said, you could do this so many different ways. I'm making this for Memorial Weekend, and I'll show you how we put this together. First thing I'm going to do is make my pudding. I will have the ingredients as well as the recipe listed on the screen and in the description box. You're going to use cheesecake pudding mix. I'm using the zero sugar. Also, you could do vanilla. You could, like I said, do it so many different ways. We're also going to use 1 cup of milk in this pudding mix. Mix that up really quick. And while it's sitting there getting thick, we're going to rinse our berries and prepare them. Okay, I'm just going to rinse my blueberries. I'm going to rinse my strawberries. Okay, I've got our strawberries and blueberries in here. I'm going to put our pudding mix over here. See how quick that thickened up? We're going to add 8 ounces of whipped topping. And you could make this bigger if you wanted to. If you were serving a lot of people, you could double it or even triple it if you wanted to. So, just make it for as many as you want or as many as you need. Go ahead and add. I'm using the zero sugar whipped topping. You can make your own. You could use regular whipped topping instead of making it sugar-free. You do it just however you want to, make it, customize it for your family. Okay, we're going to mix that up. See what that tastes like. It's very good. I think this would look really pretty in a trifle bowl. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dice my strawberries, not very, very small, but not leave them huge either. Okay? Probably like maybe quarter them. You don't want them too big, but you don't want them too little either. My granddaughter's here for Grammy's school. We've got, I think, 12 days of school left. We don't get out till June the 9th. We have had a long school year. We missed some school for cold and snowy weather. We have a lot of rural roads that they have to cancel school for, that buses can't get on. So we're making up for it now. But honestly, I'm one of those people, I'd rather mine go a little bit longer in the summer, because when it's bitter cold, I don't want my grandbabies out in that. Then you have a lot of sicknesses too to deal with, you know. So there's that. It calls for 2 cups of blueberries and 2 cups of strawberries. Like I said, very customizable. I'm going to be making, I make a lot of fruit salads, fruit dips, fruit desserts during the summer. I just think they're refreshing, light, don't weigh you down, very good. And I like to have those for the summertime. So let me know if you want me to share a recipe with you all that you haven't tried or that you've been wanting to try. I'll be glad to try it for you. Just send it to me. You can either comment on my video with the recipe or tell me what it is, or you can also email me. I have an email on my YouTube site that says my email address. If you want to send me an email of that recipe, I'll be glad to look at it and see if that's something that I would make. I like trying new things, and I'm so glad that I started my YouTube channel and that I am getting paid for it, but yet I'm putting all of my recipes in one place and can share them with my family long after I'm gone. So that makes me happy. And like I said, this is going to come together so quickly. It just really is very simple. Couple more berries left to do. I love strawberries. They're probably my favorite fruit. And then we've got our blueberries here. We're going to just dump them in. Get this off of there. And then we can stir them up. And then we're going to add our mini marshmallows. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 cups of mini marshmallows, and I'm just eyeballing it. And I don't think you can put in too many marshmallows. Just going to stir that in. You could even add some coconut flakes to that if you wanted to, or some pecans. I'm just going to leave it like that. I've got one of these little plastic glasses from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to put some in there to serve it. Let me show you what it looks like, how pretty. I think this would look really pretty served in a trifle dish, and you could add strawberries and blueberries to the top. It would look really pretty. What's not to like about it? Cool Whip, miniature marshmallows, strawberries, blueberries, cheesecake, pie, pudding mix. It's really good, you all. Perfect for Memorial Weekend, 4th of July, Labor Day, a picnic, a barbecue, or just because. So good. I hope you make it. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and hang out with me.